In my pastry course, I simply show you how to prepare puff pastry fans. The deliciously made pastry is carefully and thoroughly sprinkled with sugar, and it is spread out evenly and smoothly. The pastry must be absolutely nice and very deliciously thin. Now I am indeed adding plenty of sugar. Then it is rolled and folded, like this. Another fold is made here as well, perhaps. You can gently and carefully stretch it a bit. Press lightly in the middle with your fingers. I carefully fold the dough, meticulously trying to stretch it out in such a way that it eventually forms into small, delicate puff pastry fans. This process requires a gentle touch and a keen eye to ensure that the layers are even and the texture is just right. As I work, I can see the pastry gradually taking shape, transforming from a simple piece of dough into something much more intricate and beautiful. Here, you can observe how the pastry looks at this stage, with its layers starting to become visible and its form beginning to resemble the classic fan shape that is so characteristic of puff pastries. It's a delicate balance of technique and patience, and the result is a testament to the art of pastry making. Now I am carefully preparing it and meticulously getting it ready, with great attention to detail and precision, to put it in the oven. After ensuring it is securely closed, I carefully place it into the preheated and ventilated oven set at precisely 200 degrees. Subsequently, I proceed to turn on the gas, and then I gently put them back in once more. In the oven. If you like my recipes, sign up for my pastry course. Pastry fans.